Edit. Food for thought. Using a hardware wallet doesn't give you the keys. It's also software and awesome Blacksmiths For Peace shirt managed by a third company. As someone said in the comments, it's starting to look obvious to me. This NKYNYC is becoming a marketing meme to sell hardware wallets. This is not 2013 where you trust a fat boy and his moms. Awesome Blacksmiths For Peace shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie. Awesome Blacksmiths For Peace shirt. Sweatshirt. Tank top, V-neck. Managing your own wallet prevents government seizures. Holding your funds hostage for additional KYC documents. Paying taxes. And all that fun stuff. Also, losing sensitive information during a hack. Phishing risks that could hack Awesome Blacksmiths For Peace shirt account and steal your funds if you're dumb enough not to enable 2FA by the app or hack an unsecured email and using your same Facebook email for your other product.